Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best macro lens is probably one of the most exciting accessories for any Android smartphone photographer looking to unlock a new world of detail, transforming everyday objects into extraordinary subjects with stunning close-up shots that reveal intricate textures and hidden beauty, making professional-grade macro photography accessible right from your pocket without needing expensive dedicated cameras. Number 5. Canon EF 50mm f1.8 STM Lens. This lens features a versatile 50mm focal length, perfect for various shooting scenarios. Its wide f1.8 maximum aperture allows for stunning background blur and excellent low-light performance. It excels in capturing beautiful portraits, freezing fast-paced action, and illuminating nighttime scenes. Its specific angle of view ensures you capture just the right amount of your subject. Get up close and personal with your subjects thanks to its minimum focusing distance of just 1.15 feet. This allows for detailed shots with a maximum magnification of 0.21x. Equipped with a stepping motor, STM, it provides nearly silent, continuous autofocus for your videos. You'll also experience incredibly smooth autofocus for all your still photography. It offers an 80mm effective focal length on APS-C cameras and a true 50mm on full-frame bodies. Its robust construction includes 6 elements in 5 groups, ensuring sharp, high-quality images. What we like. This lens offers a fantastic f1.8 aperture, perfect for stunning portraits and low-light shots. Its silent STM autofocus ensures smooth video recording without distracting noise. If you are looking for a versatile prime lens for beautiful bokeh and excellent low-light performance, this is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 4. Razer Tartarus V2 Gaming Keypad. Experience the best of both worlds with its high-performance mechamembrane switches. They offer the satisfying tactile feedback of mechanical keys combined with the comfortable, soft cushion of a membrane. This unique design is perfect for extended gaming sessions. This device features 32 fully programmable mechamembrane keys. They provide an extensive array of hotkeys and actions, making it ideal for both intense gaming and streamlining your creative workflows. Gain superior control with its 8-way directional thumb pad. It allows for more natural and intuitive movement, especially beneficial for console-oriented players. This design ensures a more ergonomic and responsive experience. Unlock advanced capabilities with fully programmable macros, powered by Razer Hypershift. This feature lets you remap any key or key combination to execute complex commands effortlessly. It gives you a strategic edge in any scenario. Immerse yourself in ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. It fully syncs with popular games, hardware, and smart home devices. Enjoy 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys to match your style. What we like. This keypad features responsive mechamembrane switches, combining tactile feedback with comfortable cushioning. With 32 programmable keys and an 8-way thumb pad, it offers extensive customization for complex commands. If you are a serious gamer or content creator needing quick access to macros and enhanced control, this device will elevate your setup. What people say. Number 3. KEYWING 3-in-1 Phone Lens Kit. This versatile 3-in-1 kit offers distinct lenses for every shot. Each one can be used independently to capture unique perspectives. The 20x macro lens lets you dive into tiny details. It has an optimal focusing distance of 1.18 to 3.54 inches, revealing hidden beauty. Expand your view with the 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It increases your shooting area by 10%, perfect for landscapes and group photos. Create strong, artistic visual effects with the 198 degrees fisheye lens. It makes subjects appear cuter and adds a playful touch to your photos. These professional HD lenses feature advanced lanthanide optical glass, minimizing reflections and ghosting. Their high-grade aluminum shell ensures long-lasting durability and protection. Attaching them is incredibly easy, just clip them onto your phone's camera. The soft rubber on the clip protects your device from scratches, while a strong spring ensures a secure fit. Designed with a universal 3.6 cm clip, they are compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung, and Google phones. You might need to adjust the clip position for specific models. What we like. This kit provides a versatile 3-in-1 lens solution, including a powerful 20x macro lens for exploring tiny details. Its easy clip-on design makes it simple to attach to most smartphones for instant creative photography. If you want to dive into the micro world or capture wide scenic views with your phone, this affordable and convenient kit is perfect. What people say. No positive product review details found in a provided source. Unable to extract detailed product features due to empty source reviews. Number 2. Pankoo 16x52 Monocular. Looking for a unique gift for the men in your life? This is an impressive gadget for anyone who loves outdoor adventures. It's an ideal present to show your thoughtfulness. Experience the world with powerful 16x magnification and a 52mm object lens. It provides a bright, clear image, perfect for hiking, bird watching, concerts, and more. You can enjoy a wide range of activities with its enhanced view. Equipped with a BAK4 prism and fully multi-coated lens, it delivers super clear images. The larger objective lens allows more light, ensuring a brighter view without black bars. You'll see every detail with stunning clarity. Featuring BAK4 optics prism and SMC green lens, its light transmittance reaches an impressive 99.8%. This ensures exceptionally clear and sharp pictures. It even offers low light level night vision, extending your viewing capabilities. Its compact and sturdy body is designed to withstand heavy weather conditions. Filled with high-purity nitrogen, it's completely waterproof and anti-fogging. You can confidently use it in rainy or humid environments without worry. What we like. This monocular delivers powerful 16x52 HD magnification, providing clear and bright images for distant viewing. Equipped with BAK4 prism and multi-coated lenses, it ensures high contrast and resolution even in low light. If you enjoy outdoor adventures like hiking or birdwatching and need a durable, high-performance viewing tool, this is an excellent companion. What people say. Number 1. Upgraded 3-in-1 phone lens kit. Elevate your mobile photography with this premium 3-in-1 lens kit. Crafted with industrial-grade aluminum and superior optics, it ensures every shot is captured with incredible clarity and detail. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens lets you capture more of the scene. It's perfect for breathtaking landscapes or ensuring everyone fits into your group photos. Get up close and personal with the macro lens. It reveals intricate details from just 1.18 to 3.54 inches away, transforming everyday objects into works of art. Add a unique touch to your images with the 198 degrees fisheye lens. It creates captivating circular visuals, giving your photos a distinct and artistic flair. Enjoy independent lens flexibility. The wide-angle and macro lenses work separately. This allows you to effortlessly switch between vast scenery and ultra-close details, enhancing your creative freedom. Installation is a breeze with its easy clip-on design. Just remove your phone case, align the clip to your main camera, and screw on the lens for a secure fit. Anti-slip rubber pads protect your device from scratches. This kit is compatible with most smartphones, though it's not suitable for phones with built-in ultra-wide cameras. We offer a 30-day return policy and dedicated customer support, including tutorial videos, to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This upgraded lens kit boasts a premium industrial-grade aluminum build, ensuring durability and superior image clarity. Its independent lens design allows for quick switching between wide-angle and macro without stacking. If you prioritize high-quality construction and flexible lens usage for diverse smartphone photography, this kit offers a robust solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.